Wix AI Website Builder. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a website using Wix, start by going to your website and searching for Wix. Click Get Started and sign up with your email or Google account. Now set your custom domain for your new site. Click Design Site to begin the customization process. Choose whether you want to design your web with AI or use template, for example using AI. Now let the AI process your website and generate a design for you. After it's done, you can choose Continue with this design or Regenerate design if you want different options. Set your domain again and click Let's Go to proceed to the editing phase. Now you can edit your design by clicking the plus button on the left bar to add elements to your site. For example, if you want to add a new header section, just go to Text and choose one text option. For example, using Add Heading 1 from the menu. Click Edit Text to edit the text content according to your needs. After you edit your text, set the position where you want it to appear. After you edit your website design, just click Preview to see the website preview and check how it looks.